3D printing is a powerful tool for teaching problem solving and critical thinking skills, encouraging creativity, building confidence, turning on young brains, and firing up imaginations. We've seen how well it works with our at-risk teams in our 3D ThinkLink classes, and they've been highly successful, and we believe everyone can benefit from learning about 3D design and printing.
It's not about making cheap plastic parts. That's the first thing I tell everybody about 3D printing. It's about being able to come up with a vision and then realize that vision in some concrete way. When we learn how to think and we learn how to be creative and use our brains in different ways than we normally use them, then we can use that in any part of our lives.
These 3D classes are awesome for the kids. Some of the kids, they might not show a lot of interest in classroom work as far as science and the other academics that we do. But once they get involved with the 3D program, it has brought them to pay closer attention, you could say, to the classes in school.
They've now gone from the kids who nobody wanted in class, who got kicked out of school. Now they're in the top 1% of their student population.
We want them to learn to love learning. We want them to know that when they do fail, they can analyze that failure, study that failure, and then go on to make changes that make a positive result in their life.
I never thought I would be telling somebody to not give up and just keep trying, and if you mess up, just start all over again. So with just doing 3D, it taught me like, it's okay to make mistakes because you can always go back and redo it.
They've learned to think differently. After going through the class and understanding that failures are not final, that obstacles are opportunities for success. They are no longer afraid to learn.
Some of them are already talking about, you could say this as a future. They want to know how they can get involved in it once they graduate, maybe going to college and all of this. So they learn quite a bit.
When they mentioned 3D print, I was like, oh, that's for geeks. I don't want to sign up for that. I became more interested in class when we took the trip to Rock Hill for 3D Systems. And I was like, this is not for geeks, this is for anybody.
This is my vase that I made. It was not that hard to make actually, but this is like my second copy I made because the first one didn't go out so well. But the good thing about 3D printing is that you can always make it again. You can edit it, you can go back to the computer and do whatever you want with it. It took a few days for me to learn, but now I know how to do it. It is really fun. I'm like an expert, not really, but I'm really good at it now.
We've been creating stuff, we've been expanding our minds, and we've been putting things together. It's a new experience. Like if you're artistic, or if you just want to design things, you should look into it. Like it gives you a chance to be yourself. It's like an artist with a painting. This has helped me so much, and I'm very thankful for it.
It's not like all about 3D printing. I learned how to grow my brain because I was introduced into new things like 3D printing, and I had a lot of fun.
You can do anything that you put your mind to. The sky's the limit, and you should never doubt yourself about anything.